A funny word you have probably never even heard of might be Boolean. If you have done some programming before, however, you might have heard it here and there. A Boolean is basically the value of either true or false in a conditional statement. Remember we have strings and numbers? Well, now you know what Booleans are. A Boolean value is either true or false. This is a third type of value in JavaScript. Let's go over some pieces of code that will help you understand how Booleans work a little bit better. We can also add a variable to a Boolean value. Let's do this and build an example in a program of how this might work. So by default, we can see here that our variable is set to false. Once the user guesses the right answer, the value turns to true. We then check again to see if the value is true, and if it is true, we run our second conditional statement. If not, we just simply run our else statement. Now, this might seem a little bit weird, and I understand. This is a lot of code, especially from what we have covered earlier. But if you break the code up into chunks, it is much easier to understand. In this lesson, you learned how to use variables with Boolean values and explore a different way of creating a program in JavaScript. In the next lesson, you will learn how to add comments to your JavaScript code to make it easier to work and read your JavaScript programs.